Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Himani and this is your affirmations for the month of May. चलिए देखते हैं क्या पॉजिटिविटी है हमारे लिए and how we can make our month of May more positive, more joyful through these affirmations. So whosoever is new to my channel, I would like to tell you affirmations are some positive phrases which if we recite every day at least 5 times a day, the vibrations goes to the universe and things are settled down. We feel more positive and we feel more optimistic towards life, and our dreams, our manifestations get answered. So these affirmations are based on your zodiac signs. So whatever zodiac you are, you can check these affirmations and try to recite 5 times a day during the morning, or divide it by morning and evening, or you can keep this as your wallpaper, or you can keep it framed in your desk. Anything, whatever makes you more positive, you can do it. I will put down timeline of each zodiac sign. You can check it yours. Along with that, my social media handles are there in the description box, so you can check out and you can connect with me through social media handles. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new and press the bell icon for more video updates. Share this video with your family, friends, your loved ones, so that they can also feel positive around. So without wasting, let's start. First zodiac sign is Aries. Let's see what is the affirmation for Aries. So Aries, for you the affirmation is, I take care of my body through movement, nourishing foods and rest. Very good. So keep on reciting this. Eat nourishing food and rest. So it will make you more positive and towards optimistic towards life. So let's see. I take care of my body through movement, nourishing foods and rest. Recite this every day and see the change. All the best. So let us move ahead for the affirmation for Taurus. Let's see what is the affirmation for Taurus. Okay. So Taurus, for you the affirmation is, I am in charge of my own self-worth. I am in charge of my own self-worth. Wonderful. I am in charge of my own self-worth. All the best, Taurus. So let's move on to Gemini, the next zodiac sign. Let's see what is the card for Gemini. Okay, so Gemini, for you the card is, I am collaborating with the energy of the universe. I am collaborating with the energy of the universe. All the best. So let us move ahead with the next zodiac, Cancer. Let's see the card. Okay. So Cancer, for you the card is, I am always healing and never alone. I am always healing and never alone. Wonderful. I am always healing and never alone. All the best, Cancer. Chaliye, next zodiac, Leo. Let's see the affirmation. So for Leo the affirmation is, I am on the right path. I am moving in the right direction. I am on the right path. I am moving in the right direction. I am on the right path. I am moving in the right direction. So keep on reciting this and see the changes, Leo. All the best. Now let us move ahead with Virgo. Let's see the card. So Virgo, आपकी affirmation है, I am stronger than any challenge, for I know that the universe has my back. Wonderful. Keep on reciting this and see the change, Virgo. I am stronger than any challenge, for I know that the universe has my back. I am stronger than any challenge, for I know that the universe has my back. The best. Let's move ahead for Libra, the next zodiac. So for Libra, the affirmation is, I am strong physically and mentally. I am strong physically and mentally. I am strong physically and mentally. See the change. All the best, Libra. So let's move ahead with with Scorpio. So for Scorpio, the card is, money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. And see the change. Scorpio, money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. All the best, Scorpio. So let's see Sagittarius. What is the affirmation? Okay, so Sagittarians, for you is, I am so much more than my mistakes. I am so much more than my mistakes. I am so much more than my mistakes. And you will see the change, Sagittarius. All the best. Let us move ahead for Capricorn, Makar Rashi. Let's see the affirmation. So Capricorn, for you the affirmation is, I am worthy of financial abundance. 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 All the best, Capricorn. So let us move ahead for Aquarius. Let's see the affirmation. Okay. So Aquarius, for you the affirmation is, I am grateful to be alive and live this day. I am grateful to be alive and live this day. I am grateful to be alive and live this day. I am grateful to be alive and live this day. All the best, Aquarius. Now the last zodiac sign, Pisces. Let's see the affirmation. Okay. So Pisces, for you the affirmation is, I am deeply grateful for all the little and great things in life. I am deeply grateful for all the little and great things in life. A gratitude affirmation. I am grateful, deeply grateful for all the little and great things in life. Deeply grateful for all the little and great things in life. All the best, Pisces. And thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope these May affirmations will help you and make you more positive, optimistic. Take care. Bye bye.